Pioneer Knitwears BD Limited. Pioneer Knitwears BD Limited is the major affiliated concern of Badshah Group of Industries. Pioneer Knitwears BD Limited is one of the largest and the most modern sweater factories of Bangladesh. Pioneer Knitwears BD was established in 2001. Now we are operating with 2,100 fully automated jacquard machines and producing 18.5 million pieces of sweaters per year with annual capacity of 22 million pieces. We are considerably contributing to Bangladesh's export earnings from sweater products. 13,000 skilled employees are working to make outstanding quality garments. Total area of our factory premises is 1.8 million square feet. Our daily capacity of sweater production is 90,000 to 100,000 pieces. At Pioneer Knitwears BD Limited, we produce sweaters for men, women and children. Our vision is to manufacture best products that fit well with the buyer's expected standards, to be more customer focused and globally competitive through ensuring top quality, maintaining friendly working environment, introducing latest technology, assuring sustainability and bringing continuous improvements in all spheres of production. The production process involves storing yarn. The process of manufacturing sweaters is initiated with receiving yarn in store from the yarn supplier. The yarn store area is divided into two zones, green zone and red zone. Accepted yarn is stored into green zone, whereas rejected yarn is dumped into the red zone. Winding section. Afterwards, the yarn goes to the winding section. Here, big-sized cone is transformed into small cone. Knitting section. All of our knitting machines are jacquard and from Shimaseki, Japan, where we make sweater part with jersey stitch, cable stitch, cardigan stitch and all kinds of jacquard stitches. Panel check. After the knitting is completed, all parts go to panel light, where the parts are thoroughly checked for assurance of top quality. Linking section. 4,300 skilled employees work in the linking section. This section is equipped with high-tech machineries. Trimming mending section. After the completion of linking, all goods are transferred to the trimming mending section. Second stage light check. Thereafter comes the second stage light checking. This part of the production process plays a pivotal role to maintain best quality production and sorting out defective goods. Wash section. In the wash section, all garments are washed as per buyer's required hand feel. Washing capacity of our factory is more than 100,000 pieces per day. Third stage light check. To ensure the highest quality, after washing the garments, third stage light checking is done. Usually, most of the factories in Bangladesh have one or two stage light checking facility, whereas to comply with stringent quality, we have endorsed a three-stage light checking system. Iron sections. 800 skilled iron operators work in the iron section. The highest importance they put is on meeting buyer's required measurement. The process takes place in 5 iron sections. Sieving section. The sieving section has 605 Japanese Juki machines and skilled operators to sew all kinds of labels. Finishing section. Pre-final quality checking is executed in finishing section, which involves checking multiple factors like final quality, measurement, final get-up, as well as attaching ticket and hang tag attachment. Needle detector. By using two-stage needle detector machine, every garment made for children is always double-checked with rigorous scrutiny. It is a fully separate area and nobody except authorized persons are allowed to enter here. Packing. Our factory doesn't have any bottleneck in packing capacity. We can pack more than 100,000 pieces garments in a day. Embroidery section. Pioneer Knitwears BD Limited has its own embroidery section. Japanese Tajima machines are being used to make sequence embroidery, towel embroidery, felt embroidery and all kinds of stitch embroideries. Printing section. We have a proven ability to perform all kinds of screen print, flock print, rubber print, pigment print, high density print and foil print in our printing section. Attachment section. We have our own attachment section. We carry out all types of badge, patch, fabrics, interlining attachments in our own facility attachment floor. Lab facility. The factory has world-class lab facilities. Wide-ranging physical tests are run in our own laboratory. Our lab has already been accredited by buyers like H&M, Next and C&A. Sustainability. At Pioneer Knitwear, we just don't talk about nature, we look after it. To minimize the adverse effects of water pollution, we have set up effluent treatment plant with a capacity of holding 4.8 million liters of water. Rainwater harvesting plant. With an aim to use rainwater, we are constructing a big rainwater harvesting plant. Medical Center and Daycare. At Pioneer Knitwear Factory, we have free medical center that is well equipped with qualified doctors. Trained and compassionate professionals assure proper care and happiness of children staying in the daycare center. Compliance. We conduct monthly Central Compliance Committee meetings to review and resolve allied issues. We strongly believe that it is imperative to comply with local laws for workers' wages as well as other ethical and environmental requirements. For maintaining such remarkable compliance, Pioneer Knitwear BD Limited acquired green status in Accord audit. The project has also been evaluated and approved by H&M, C&A, Next, Okaidi and by many other reputed customers. It was approved by SEDEX, BSCI and ICS. It was audited by third-party auditors like SGS, BV, ITS, TUV. Pioneer Knitwear BD Limited has achieved worldwide RAP certification. Award. It's deeply inspiring for us that we have been nominated for H&M Gold Supplier Award for the last consecutive 11 years. Certification. Praiseworthy credibility of Pioneer Knitwear BD Limited has long been established through obtaining the International Quality Management System Certification ISO 9001, Ercotex Certification, Global Organic Textile Standard GOTS, Organic Content Standard OCS, Global Recycled Standard GRS, Recycled Claim Standard RCS. Our main customers are H&M, Sweden, C&A, Belgium, Next, UK, Elcourt, England, Spain, Okaidi, France, OVS, Italy, The Children Palace, USA, Carter's, USA, Talbot's, USA, Express, USA. Celio, France. NKD, Germany. Kaufland, Germany. LPP, Poland. Uji, Russia. Austin, Russia. We are proud to state that at Pioneer Knitwear, we are committed to ensure highest satisfaction of buyers and make a visible contribution to the economic growth of our country.